Meow.
I wanted to get some lampshades to match my tropical theme in the bedroom, but all the shades that I found online were really expensive. So I decided to take some lampshades that I already had and then recover them with some material that I had lying around already. So first I ironed out the material and I rolled the lampshade across the material. As I was doing that, I took a Sharpie and marked out where I needed to be cutting. And so then I had a nice template because I had two matching accent shades. So I just took that template and marked it out of the rest of the material I had. And then I simply cut out that second template. So I decided to staple the material first before sewing it, and I cut out little slits where the harp is. So I pulled the material tightly around the lampshade and then stapled it in. I had to help the staple along because the staples weren't very strong. And then I pushed together the prongs on the other side just to keep everything clipped together before I could sew it. I tried to match up the seams so that it looked more professional. And then I had them stapled both on the top and the bottom there. And then I sewed around the top and the bottom as well. I tried to get a nice even line that people wouldn't notice if they saw the lampshade up close. It was surprisingly easy to sew through the lampshade. The membrane of a lampshade is very thin. I didn't need a thimble. And then I cut off the excess material along the edges so that it wouldn't shine through when it was being lit up by the light bulb. And that's my final product. I had one drum shade and two accent lamps, and there they are being lit up and helping my bedroom to look a little more tropical. Thanks for watching.